Keeping your pack weight down goes a long way towards having a more comfortable day in the mountains. Well, stick around because today I'm going through 8 top tips to help keeping your bag weight down and making sure it feels more comfortable when you're carrying it. Hi, my name's Jack and welcome to the Summit Fit YouTube channel. If you enjoy time in the mountains, then make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get to it. Here's 8 top tips to help make your pack feel more comfortable when you're carrying it in the mountains. Number 1, pack heavier items closer to your back and slightly higher up in the bag. This will help you maintain a better centre of gravity while you're hiking, making your bag feel more comfortable. Things that you're not expecting to use all the time, try and pack them a little bit lower in your bag as well. Number 2, carry calorie-dense food. That means you haven't got to carry lots of it with you. Things like energy bars, dried fruit, nuts, etc. These are high energy foods. You're not going to need as much of it to give yourself a bit of an energy boost when you're out in the mountains, therefore keeping the weight of your pack a little bit lower. Number 3, share resources. If you're out with a mate, try and put everything that's heavy that you would normally be carrying in their pack while they're not looking. Sorry, Chris, I haven't really done that. No, but if you are out for a big day or you're wild camping or something like that, rather than carrying all the tent yourself, take the poles for instance, give them to your mate, try and spread the weight a little bit between you so one of you isn't carrying all the bulk. Point number 4, every litre of water you carry when you're out in the mountains is an extra kilogram on your back. Try and use something like a water well filter bottle. That way you can scoop up water from a decent water source whilst you're on the move and filter it as you're drinking it. That way you can top up on the go, therefore reducing the amount of water you have to set off with in the first place. Number 5, use the compression straps on your bag. If you've got a bigger bag and things are just flumping to the bottom because you haven't entirely filled it, and just because you've got a bigger bag doesn't mean you have to fill it, use the compression straps to tighten the bag down and keep that weight close to your back. Number 6, when you get home, try and go through the stuff you carried with you and have a bit of a look at what you used and what you didn't use. Try and identify the essentials, the things that you maybe don't need to necessarily take with you next time. But of course, that doesn't mean just because you didn't use your first aid kit, you shouldn't take it with you next time. Number 7, make sure your pack is fitted correctly. If you're buying a new one and you're in the shop, some of the guys there might be able to show you how to do that. But make sure that the compression straps, your waist straps, your sternum strap and also the shoulder straps are all fitted properly, sitting on your hips where they should be, and nice and snug without being too tight. If your bag's moving around on your back, that's going to throw you off balance and it's going to make it feel more uncomfortable. Finally, when you're buying a pack, make sure you buy one that only has all the necessary accessories you may need. Between a couple of packs, there may even be a difference of a couple of kilograms. So try and invest in a nice lightweight pack that only has the bits and bobs on it that you need. When you're out for a day hike, try and look for packs that are around the 35 litre mark. And if you're going for an overnight, maybe you're looking at the 55, 60-ish sort of mark. So those are just 8 quick top tips for trying to make your bag more comfortable when you're carrying it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.